Hey everyone, today we're launching the Quickchat AI MCP server. It's live on GitHub, you can find it on PyPy, you can use it for your AI apps, and you can use it for your own projects as well. So what is an MCP server? A lot of people say that it's like a USB-C for AI, where you can connect any tool to an AI app like Claude Desktop or Cursor or ChatGPT. What I like to say is that MCP allows you to give your AI a superpower to be able to send message to other AIs on your behalf. So in this video, what I'm going to show you is how you can take a Quickchat AI, a simple bot created on our platform, and connect it to Cursor, connect it to Claude Desktop, and how it actually works. Okay, so let's go. Here we're on the Quickchat AI platform, and you can see what we call Launch AI, which is a simple bot we created here in our office and connected it to a simple automation that picks up the menu, the daily menu for the little bistro we have next to our office. The menu sits here and is being updated daily. We use that bot to be able to check the menu without going on the actual website, but maybe using our Slack integration or asking a chatbot. So let's try to go about adding this bot to Claude Desktop or Cursor via an MCP. Let's go to the MCP tab here, and you can see that I already added some simple settings. First of all, I enabled the MCP using this toggle here. I gave it a name, which is local launch expert, and I gave it a description, which is send a message to a local launch expert, which will give you info on the current menu in the local canteen. It knows today's menu at the canteen, but won't be able to recommend any other restaurants. This description is very important because it tells Claude and other apps what that AI is capable of, what it knows, what it doesn't know. So that's very important. What you can also customize is the actual name of the tool that Claude and other apps will be aware of. Here I called it Ask About Lunch. And that's a nice customization to have as well. Okay, so let's now go to the integration tab. And here you can see instructions for Claude Desktop and for other AI applications, which admittedly are very, very similar. First of all, a bit of housekeeping. You need to install UV, which is a package manager somewhat similar to pip. So all you need to do is run this command in your command line. If you need more information, you can go to this website, which explains how to install UV, and that's where that line comes from. So once you're done with that, you can go to your Claude Desktop and set up the actual MCP. So we're in Claude Desktop. Let's go to Claude Settings, Developer, and edit our config. You can see that our config sits here. So let's open it with Sublime. And currently, my MCP servers on Claude Desktop are all empty. So let's go back to Quickchat and copy our configuration and paste it in here. Oops. Okay, so that's our configuration. You can see that it contains just the Quickchat scenario ID and the name of our MCP. Now, in order for this to work in Claude, we need to actually close Claude and reopen it. So let's do that. And let's see what happens now. Here we can see that Claude actually imported the tool already. There's one MCP tool available. And you can see that it knows that the command is ask about lunch. The name is what we set here, and the description is what we set here. Once again, all of these are customizable from the Quickchat dashboard. Okay, so let's now try and talk to Claude, taking into account our tool. So let's say I'm hungry. Let's see what Claude says. Claude gives me a few options, and one of them is actually the local canteen, which is probably to do with the MCP that I just set up. So let's tell me what's on in the local canteen. So now I expect that Claude will like to talk to my MCP. That's what's happening. So I will allow it. And now we can open the Quickchat inbox, and you can actually see that Claude sent a message to our MCP and got this response. This is the exact response that it got from the MCP. We can see that it's been sent by the Claude MCP. And here is the actual result, which has been reformatted and slightly changed by Claude. So there it is. There's our MCP in action. For me, it's always very interesting to see that here is the conversation I'm having with the MCP, human talking to an AI, myself, and here is an AI to AI conversation, right? Because Claude doesn't just pass on whatever I said to the MCP, it rephrases it and tries to get as much information as possible from the AI. Okay, so let's now try to apply the same thinking to Cursor. So this is Cursor. We opened Cursor settings. Let's go to the MCP tab. And actually, I already set up the assistant, but let's change its config. So once again, let's go back to our config, to the MCP tab, integrations. Let's copy our main configs, which are the same. So let's copy them and replace what I have here with my Launch Expert configs. In Cursor, what's nice is that you don't need to reopen it. You just refresh, and you can see that it already pulled information from our Quickchat MCP server. Here we can quickly test the customization. Let's say I want to change the command, maybe to say ask about lunch. So maybe ask lunch guru. Let's say this will be my command now. All I need to do is refresh, and you can see that now it has the correct command. All right, so now that the MCP server is connected, let's try the same conversation with Cursor. I'm hungry. That's what I said. And here we can see that Cursor goes straight away to the Lunch Guru. Probably internally it's set up slightly differently, so I will allow it to run the tool. Let's try the Quickchat inbox. We can see that now is the Cursor conversation with a different logo. That's the message from Cursor, and that's the response. And here is Cursor formatting it for me in the Cursor chat window. Okay, so that's it. As you can see, it's extremely simple to create a chatbot on the Quickchat platform and connect it to any tool. Please follow our channel, where we'll be adding tutorials for other AI tools beyond Cursor and Claude, and have fun setting up your own MCP AI. Thank you.